Hello everyone! So today what I'm going to show you is another McDougall salad dressing, which is from the new McDougall Cookbook, and this will be the third salad dressing that we're going to be making together. And it's a really easy recipe, and there's just a few ingredients right here. The mango orange dressing right there, and I'm going to walk you through everything. We've got 1 cup I put of just mango. I buy frozen mango from Costco, and so I just defrosted it, and that's what it looks like. We're going to put half a cup of fresh squeezed orange juice in that there. We're going to put a 1/4 teaspoon of curry powder. We're going to put 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. I use a low sodium soy sauce. And we're going to put a garlic. Boom, that's it. Now, I squeezed my oranges. On here, I used 1½ oranges to get half a cup of orange juice. And then we're going to puree it with a little hand mixer. And that is it. It's going to be bright and beautiful. And if you wanted, you could chop up some cilantro in there, mix it in there, and put it on your tacos as well. But I'm going to show you, we're going to put it on the salad tonight, so you'll get to see what we're going to eat. Okay, so today's dinner is really simple. I made my burgers here, and these are Jeff Novick burgers, and I'll put my video of those below. And then I just made the same salad that I made in the last McDougall video. Right here, it's got the delicious mango orange dressing on it, onions, lettuce, peas. I'll put all the ingredients below because there's too many to remember. But that's dinner for tonight. Thanks for watching.